In today's video, I'll show you how to use Cloudflare Workers to run code closer to your visitors and build fast, serverless applications. If you're new to Cloudflare Workers, think of them as small programs that run on Cloudflare's global network. Instead of relying on a traditional server, your code runs at the network edge, helping deliver faster responses. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. From there, go to the Workers and Pages section and select Workers. Next, click Create Worker to start a new project. Cloudflare will generate a basic template that you can customize with your own code. Now give your worker a meaningful name so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to create multiple projects. After that, open the built-in code editor or connect your preferred development environment. This is where you'll write or update the logic your worker will run. Once your code is ready, save your changes and deploy the worker. Cloudflare will publish it across its network so it can begin handling requests. After deployment, test the worker using the provided URL. Make sure it responds correctly and performs the task you expect. If your project needs a custom domain or route, configure it in the worker settings so requests to your website can be handled by your worker. As you continue developing, update your code, redeploy the worker, and test each change to ensure everything works as intended. Cloudflare also provides logs and monitoring tools, making it easier to troubleshoot issues and keep your application running smoothly. And that's how you use Cloudflare Workers. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.